Welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 3. Students, what we have learned in the last session of grammar? Yes, we have finished with lesson number 21, that is preposition. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 22. So we will just see what is there in lesson number 22. So open your Fun with Grammar book, page number 66. Before that, you can just see on the screen. Okay, now you have to read the following sentences. Ready? The grapes are fresh. The grapes are sweet. Now here, if you see in this example, what is there? Yes, the sentence is same, only the last word has been changed. Means the grapes are fresh, and again they have told about the same fruit, that is that the grapes are sweet. So what they have done, they have used the word and in between. The grapes are fresh and sweet, means there is no need again to repeat the sentence. So this and word, what it is doing, it is joining the two words, that is fresh and sweet. It is joining the two words. Okay, next, Mohan is short, Minnie is tall. Now Mohan is short, Minnie is tall. Here if you see, here they have told about two persons, Mohan and Minnie. What they have told, that this boy is short, and again in the next sentence they have told opposite, totally opposite, that is Minnie is tall. So what word they have used? B-U-T, but. So whenever we are using two words or two sentences where it is totally opposite to each other, so what we are going to use, students? B-U-T, but. Now third sentence we will read, Varun is sad. Now why he is sad? Full stop, he has lost his new pen. Now Varun is sad, there is some reason why he is sad. Okay, so they have used the word because. Varun is sad because he has lost his new pen. Now here also we can see there are two sentences. They have joined these two sentences with the word because, and they have made it one sentence. Now you can have tea, you can have coffee. Now what is given over here? You can either have tea or you can either have coffee. Means here two options or two choices have been given to you. So instead of writing two sentences, which word has been used, students? Or. You can have tea or coffee, and you can make it a simple sentence. Now here in all these four sentences, what you can see, students? A and D, and, but, because, or. What they are doing? Yes, they are joining the words. Okay, so they are called conjunction. So what is our lesson name today, students? Yes, conjunctions. Lesson number 22. Okay, I hope that you have opened your book now. Understood, students, what is conjunctions? Yes? Okay, so here they have given the definition over here. Conjunctions are joining words. What they join? They join words, then again they join group of words or sentences. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to just make a star for this. Okay, you can read this also. If you want, you can read this also. Okay, here they have given example. What are the conjunction with joined words or joining words? I hope that you have understood what we have learned in these four sentences. Again, I'll say you A and D, and, B-U-T, but, because, and or. What are they, students? Yes, they are conjunctions. What they do, students? Yes, they join words or group of words or sentences. Now I hope that you have understood what is joining words. Now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to solve the exercise, and in that nothing you have to do. You have to read the sentence and you have to say which word is joining the sentence. Only you have to recognize the conjunctions. Are you ready, students? You have to come on the page 66, lesson number 22. Having pencil with you? Shall we start? Okay. So I'll start with exercise A. Underline the conjunctions in these sentences. So first what you have to do, you have to read the sentence, understand that what is that, about what it is telling, and then you have to see which word is joining the words or group of words or sentences. So shall I start, students? Okay. First, I went to the market. Where I went? Yes, I went to the market. Then I bought 2 pencils. I went to market and what I did? I bought 2 pencils. So here we can see which is the word that is joining these 2 sentences. And. Got it, students? What is conjunction in this sentence? Okay. Next. Now here we can see in the second sentence, the tortoise was slow. What it is telling? The tortoise is slow but steady. So slow and steady is totally opposite to each other. So which conjunction they have used? Beauty but. Understood? Yes. Now in third sentence, you can go to the circus or watch the magic show. Here they have given 2 choices. What? You can go to the circus or you can watch the magic show. So which word they have joined with this? Yes, or. Group of words. Which conjunction has joined this group of words? Or. So when you read the sentence, you will come to know which word is joining them. So you have to just learn it. And, beauty but, because, or. 4 conjunction we have learnt. We'll move on to next page, that is 67. Ready? So what are the conjunctions which we have learned? And, beauty but, because and or. Now 4th one. Meera could not complete the work because she was lazy. Now here if you see, Meera was unable to complete the work and they have given the reason. So what is the word which has joined? Yes, the reason has been given. That is, because is a conjunction which they have used. This jug is empty but that is full. So totally opposite, empty and full. Cotton is white and soft. 2 words. Which word is joining? And. Veena and Meera are sister. So which word is joining Veena and Meera? Yes, and. Jia was absent because she was unwell. And I hope that you have understood what is conjunction and which words are conjunction. Can you repeat, students, again with me? And, beauty but, because and or. Understood? Now how they have used and how they have used beauty but, because and or, that we are going to see. Means we are going to learn how to join the sentences with and. Are you ready, students, to learn? Till now we have learned how to recognize. Now we are going to learn how we have to join the sentence with and. One we will see. Now everyone pay attention on the screen. Keep your pencils down. Ready? Okay. So what is the first sentence? Varun has a bat. Arun has a ball. Now here if we see Varun and Arun, okay, they are 2 persons. Can you see here? 2 boys are there. Okay. So I want to make these 2 sentences in one single sentence. So what I am going to do? Nothing I am going to do. I am going to cut this full stop and then I am going to write and between these 2 sentences, and at last full stop is compulsory. Got it? Again I'll say. See, Varun has a bat and here I am going to, where the sentence end, there I am going to add the conjunction a and d and. What we are learning? We are learning to join sentences with a and d and. Okay, so first thing what you are going to do, where the sentence end, okay, there you are going to write a and d and then continue with the same whatever is there. Why? Because here about two boys they have given different sentences there and compulsory last full stop is there. Next, Shyam likes coffee, full stop, he drinks it every day, full stop. Here also two sentences are there. Can you see? Shyam likes coffee and he drinks it every day. So how I am going to write? Shyam likes coffee, full stop, I will remove. I am going to write and. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind, that when you are joining the second sentence, again I will repeat, when you are removing this full stop, okay, means the sentence is going to continue. So this will not be in capital, it will become small. Here why it is capital? Because it is a name of a person. Okay, now here it will become small. These are the small things which you have to keep in your mind in grammar. Okay, now and he drinks it every day, full stop. Understood, students? How we have joined with the conjunction a and d and? I hope that you have understood. Now we are going to solve exercise B. Exercise B, join these sentences with the joining word and. Means what you have to do, only you have to join this sentence with the conjunction a and d and, which we have learned just now. Okay, now Mona has a pen, Sona has a pencil box. Can you see here Mona and Sona? Okay, so what I am going to do? Yes, I am going to join these two sentences with the conjunction a and d and. So first what I am going to do? Mona has a pen. Here my sentence ends, so I am going to cancel this full stop. Okay, and what I am going to do here? I am going to write after pen a and d and. Sona has a pencil box, full stop. Now here Sona, S will remain capital because it is a name of a girl. Understood, students? Okay, over. Next, she loves book. She loves books, full stop. She reads every day. So what I am going to do? Exactly, first I am going to read the first sentence. She loves book, full stop. I will cut it and then I will write here a and d and. Say you have to do in your book. This full stop you cut it, in between these books and she you have to write the conjunction and. She reads every day, full stop. Understood, students? Same you have to do with all the three sentences. You will do or I will do for you? Third, I will do it for you. The baby is happy, full stop. I will remove and he. Now when I am writing this he, here also see what I am going to do, this s will become small, she. Here also he, I am going to write like this, small he, full stop. I will cut. He also I will cut. Why? Because here h should be kept small, sorry. He is playing. Here also what I have done, I have cut. She full I will cut because s I want small. I will write here. Okay, he have not cut because it is the name of a girl. Veena learns music, full stop. I will cut. Okay, and I am going to write a and d and again she I will cut. Why? You know, because I have to write a small is a good singer, same as it is. Understood, student? What I am doing? Okay. Fifth, Malini works hard, full stop, cut, a and d and again she cut. She performs well in school. Then come on, do it fast so that we can jump to the next conjunction, that is but. Done, students? Okay, I hope that you are doing along with me. So you are finished. We'll move on to the next. Let us learn how to join sentences with the joining word but. But. Here also same rules what we have done for a and d and. I'll move on, students. Okay. conjunction but both the sentences are totally opposite to each other. Let us learn how to join sentence with the conjunction but. Lata ran fast. Full stop. She missed the school bus. Now even though she ran fast, then too she missed the school. So which conjunction is joining these two sentences? Yes, but. Now here also we have done the same. See, full stop we have removed and then we have used but. And now when I am using this she, so my s will become small. Only this thing you have to keep in your mind. Next, Meera is a good girl. Full stop. Her brother is naughty. She is good girl, okay, but her brother is naughty. Here also if you will see, two opposite things are over here. So Meena is a good girl but, again where I have joined, I will remove this full stop, I am going to add but, her h will become small. Can you see here, students? Okay, this is a small thing which you have to keep in your mind. If you again you will write here he, her in capital, then your marks will go. So what you have to do, students? You have to just write in small. Brother is naughty. Same thing which we have done with A and D, and same you have to do with but. I hope that you have understood this also. Okay, so shall we solve the exercise C, students? Okay, join the following sentences with the help of the joining word but. Mona is short, Tina is tall. Two sentences. First what I am going to do? Yes, I am going to cut the full stop, but Tina is tall. Tina is the name of a girl, so T will remain capital. Reena came last in the race. Full stop, cut, but she I'll cut, you know why? Because I want to write S in cap small is not set. Next, Veena went to the market. Full stop, cut, but I'll cut the shops were closed. Fire broke out in the affair. Full stop, cut, but everyone was safe. We went to meet Jay. Full stop, cut, but here I'll cut because I want to write h in small. Then, okay, I hope that you have understood this also. Now we will move on to the next, that is because. Ready, students? So you have to turn your page to page number 68. Look on the screen. Those who have not finished can do it afterwards. I have given you the hint how you have to solve it. But don't sit idle, solve along with me only. Ready? Now we will move on to the next, that is because. Because gives the reason for the first sentence. Okay? Again I'll say because conjunction gives the reason for the first sentence. Now come on, read the first sentence. Tanu could not drink the tea. Now why she could not drink? This is the answer. Because it was hot. Now here also if you can see, they have cut the full stop. They have written conjunction because in between these two sentences. Yes, and then again I is small. Got it? Same. Only the thing is there, in between the two sentences you have to write the conjunction, and the next sentence, that is the second sentence, should begin with the small letter if it is not a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Second, Tia went to the market, full stop, she had many things to buy. Now where I will write? Yes, here. So I will cut this full stop, I am going to write because, then my S will become small. I hope this is very easy. You are finding it very easy. Yes or no? Only you have to join. Dia went to the market because she. Can you see her S? Yes, she had many things to buy. Understood, students, what we have done? Same rule for this conjunction also. Now Shall we solve exercise D, students? Okay. Join the following sentences with the help of the joining word because. I am little bit going fast because we have still to solve more till exercise E. Ready? We have to get up early. Why? Because we have school tomorrow. So first thing what I am going to do? Yes, after the first sentence, that is full stop, I am going to cancel this full stop. I am going to write because. Which conjunction they have told? Because. We also will cancel small w. Understood, students? Okay. So for each sentence you have to see which conjunction they have told us to join. I could not do my homework. Yes. Because I'll cancel. Okay, I always will be in small. Wherever it is, what we do, students? Yes, we write it in capital only. So here don't need to cancel this I. Okay. We cannot play outside. Full stop. Remove because. Yes, it is raining. Full stop. Mother will scold me. Full stop. Remove because. My because is in between these two sentences. Now I will remain same. I have told I will never change in any of the place. So I have lost my purse. Chetan went to visit the doctor. Full stop. Remove because he I'll make it small, had fever. Done, students? Chalo, do it fast. Next we are going to join with or. Here some changes is there that you have to just pay attention. Ready, students? Have you finished with this? I hope you have done. Let us learn how to join sentence with the help of the joining word or. This is the last one which we are learning. We have finished with and, but, because. Or. We are now in the conjunction or. Have your breakfast quickly full stop, you will miss the school bus. So what I have to do with these two sentences? Yes, I have to join it with the conjunction or. So same over here. I am going to remove that full stop. I am going to join these two sentences with the conjunction or. Then the next word, that is you. Here y will become small and the same sentence. Here same rule which we have learned still now. But for the second you just see, do you like apples? Do you like mangoes? Same sentence is there, but only what is there? Fruits has been changed. Yes or no? When there is choices, so that time what you have to do? You should not repeat the sentence. Only whatever choice, two things have been given there. In between that you have to write or. Again I'll say, do you like apples? Again, do you like mangoes? The sentence has been repeated. Can you see? Only the apples and mangoes are different. These two choices they have asked. So what I am going to do? Do you like apples or mangoes? This do you like I will cancel. Only when there is choice of two things. Got it, students? Understood? Okay, and this question mark will come in the last. I hope that you have understood till now whatever I have taught you. We are going to solve the next exercise. Ready? Exercise E. Join the following sentence with the help of the joining word or. Ready? Okay. Don't talk loudly. See here, both the sentences are different. Don't talk loudly, the baby will wake up. What I am going to do? Yes, or T will become small. Rules are same, so I'll go fast. Drink the milk quickly, full stop, or it will get cold. What are the plants every day? Full stop, cut, or. Don't play in the rain, full stop, cut, or you will become small, fall sick. But in the last sentence just say, you can have coffee, you can have tea. Here if you can see, here two choices are there, that is coffee or tea. So what I am going to do, students, can you see, you can have, same is there. So we are not going to repeat that words again. So what I am going to do, from this full stop, I will remove this full stop. As usual, I will write over R. I am going to cut all this, okay, and the remaining last choice, that is tea. So what will be in my sentence now? You can have coffee or tea. Got it, students? I hope that you have understood or also. So can you tell me, students, what is conjunction now? Yes, conjunction is nothing but it is a joining words. It joins group of words or sentences. Now what is this, students? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a train. Anytime you went in the train, students? Okay, you enjoy, yes or no, journey in this? Yes. Now here in train, what you can see different bogies, and here is something which join these bogies or compartments, yes or no? So the same way the conjunction is also doing the same thing. For example, it is joining words, group of words and sentences with the different words, group of words and sentences. They have shown with the help of this train how this thing is joining two compartments or two bogies. Same way the conjunction is doing the same thing. Okay, so what is conjunction? It is a joining word. In that, what we have learned, students? Yes, can you tell me? A and D, and then B-U-T, but, because, and what was the last? O-R, or. These four conjunctions we have learned today. I hope that you have understood how we have to join two group of words or sentence with the help of these conjunction. I know you are excitedly waiting for the animation of these lessons. Are you ready, students? You can close your book and then we can start.
Conjunctions. Read the following sentences. The grapes are fresh. The grapes are sweet. The grapes are fresh and sweet. Mohan is short. Mini is tall. Mohan is short, but Mini is tall. Varun is sad. He has lost his new pen. Varun is sad because he has lost his new pen. You can have tea. You can have coffee. You can have tea or coffee. The words and, but, because, and, or are joining words. They are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words, groups of words, or sentences. Let us learn how to join sentences with and. 1. Varun has a bat. Arun has a ball. Varun has a bat and Arun has a ball. 2. Shyam likes coffee. He drinks it every day. Shyam likes coffee and he drinks it every day. Let us learn how to join sentences with the joining word but. 1. Lata ran fast. She missed the school bus. Lata ran fast, but she missed the school bus. 2. Neema is a good girl. Her brother is naughty. Neema is a good girl, but her brother is naughty. Let us learn how to join sentences with the help of the joining word because. 1. Ganu would not drink the tea. It was hot. Ganu would not drink the tea because it was hot. 2. Tia went to the market. She had many things to buy. Tia went to the market because she had many things to buy. Let us learn how to join sentences with the help of the joining word or. 1. Have your breakfast quickly. You will miss the school bus. Have your breakfast quickly or you will miss the school bus. 2. Do you like apples? Do you like mangoes? Do you like apples or mangoes? Hi, I am a conjunction. I am a joining word. Words, group of words, sentences.
And in this way we have finished with our today's lesson, that is lesson number 22, conjunctions. And I hope that you have understood what we have learned. So what we have learned, students? Yes, we have learned about conjunctions, that conjunctions are nothing but they are joining words. It join words, group of words and sentences. And in that, which words we have learned, which conjunctions we have learned? Yes, and, but, because, or. The definition which I have told you on page number 66, that you have to learn it. Thank you. Have a good day.